Hello, my friends, and welcome back once again. We're going to have some fun today because we're going to go ahead and unbox the Switch 2, which I just picked up. It is June 4th, 2025, about 11 p.m. Mountain Time, Denver, Colorado. Release of the Switch 2, which I got in a pre-order, lucky enough. Just picked up. And I'm really excited to crack it open. And I wanted to document and share with y'all the process. First things first, I am a little bit concerned in a way. Who knows how it happened, but there's a couple pretty good dings on the box here. I don't know if you can make that out. So, that being the case, we'll see what it looks like inside, but without further ado, we are going to get into it right away here. So I hope you enjoy. Should be a lot of fun. So obviously I'm going to try to cover. There's a little tab at the back here that you just pull down on side. Pop it open thusly. All right. So right away in the top, you got your Joy-Cons. Individual packaged. Really looking good shape. Yeah, have a nice feel to them. Really is premium. You know, doesn't have like a really like solid metal feel maybe that you might look for in an upgraded. I don't know. As I say that, I pull out this one. The feel is very nice on this one, so who knows? We'll see how they perform. It's I mean, you can see there's a little eye in there, infrared. Yeah, the buttons are great. You can see how that operates. The release there. So far, so good. Console itself. And wow. No protective cover on. I'll also document and show you how I'm going to put the screen protector on mine. Hopefully it works out well for you. But right away I have some dust and fingerprints on, so that's okay. Wow. Fit and finish is quite nice. And it does have that nice premium feel. Yeah, I'm noticing right away the little rubber bumpers there. Doesn't look like any damage. It looks like that part of the console, or that part of the box, is not by the console. So that's good. All right, we'll just continue here. There's something in the middle of this cardboard. Health and safety information, okay. You've got the you got the HDMI cable and the two security straps, wrist straps, which really have a nice look to them. They seem pretty sturdy. Can see that they have the infrared see-through there indicators. I'm sorry, they have the fiber optic pass-through indicator, but they just feel solid. Kind of nice elasticity to the band. Cool Nintendo label. Wow, and they've got some like stitching. Yeah, this is definitely upgraded. Really looks lovely. All right. Moving on, first thing that pops out is the adapter. And now's a good opportunity just to see how they sort of fit together and feel. I don't know if this will be magnetic straight away. It is. Wow. Satisfying snap, for sure. Wow. That's probably the most impressive part. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I'm noticing this gap right here immediately on the hands. Didn't have that on the last one, it seems like, but doesn't seem too out of control. Pretty nice feel. I'm sure the Pro is a little better. This is my first experience then disengaging. Okay, yeah, so I see how that works. As you press, it really just it initially just detents the one side, and then you can pull it unless you jostle it. But that's a really very intuitive, nice feel. All right. Okay, so power brick and cable separate. Very interesting. This has some good weight to it. Seems to be in good shape. Okay, so the area where the damage is right by the dock. So I guess we will see how that works out in the end. Hopefully there's no damage, I'm sure, and it functions fine. USB-C to C for the power brick. I should go ahead and probably go ahead and get a little bit organized here. I am going to read through the health and safety, as we all should. A good idea. Sometimes there's some good tips. Right away system setup. I mean, Nintendo Switch 2 has been designed for ease of use. To get started, follow the setup instructions on the packaging. Additional support instructions and information are available at support.nintendo.com. Very good. All right, the dock. Maybe the coup de grace. Possibly the thing I'm the most excited for, and I'll tell you, feels very light. Okay. It's in good shape cosmetically. Seems. I can see the tri-wing screws right away at the bottom. Classic Nintendo. Fit and finish looks nice. It's just very plastic, essentially. Yeah, okay. The back panel just comes all the way off, which is kind of nice. Of course, you've got all of your power and a straight up LAN connection. That's so sweet. HDMI out, AC adapter. Wow. Excellent. Really great. Feel, again, very light. Looking like these pads. That was always the concern with the Switch 1, was how it fit in the dock. Sat in the dock up against the plastic screen, and there was some rubbing going on. Left some inclinations in the screen. Although this screen, I don't know if it is plastic, it seems glass. But let's just see how it fits in here. Okay, that's wrong way. Okay, and it looks like, yeah, it's kind of being totally avoided from touching it all. Although we are going to go ahead and apply a screen protector which came with the case. So that'll probably be the next thing. Fit and finish beautiful. Really excited to fire it up. All of the really cool new features that really are kind of subtle. It seems, I guess I would say, in a way, to hold its own very well for the new iteration. Well, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed, just to get to see what it looks like coming straight out of the box. My name is Evan. Again, thank you for joining us. We're definitely going to be playing some games, and I'll be uploading videos, hopefully of some Zelda and some really fun things. Hope to see you in the future. Thanks for watching.